Good evening, children. Do you know what it is? Is this a fruit or a vegetable? Yeah, this is a vegetable. What is the name of this vegetable? The name of this vegetable is ridge gourd or angler gourd. So why it is known as angler gourd? Because it has so many angles on it. So this vegetable is known as ridge gourd or angler gourd. What do you call this vegetable in Telugu? We call this vegetable as birakaya, and this vegetable is called Nethi birakaya because this does not have angles on its body. So what is the use of this angler gourd or ridge gourd? I'll tell you the advantages of eating this angler gourd or ridge gourd. First of all, it decreases the risk of cancer. So cancer cells can be reduced by eating this ridge gourd daily. And it is a very good vegetable. It has a plenty of vitamin C. And due to this, your eyesight will develop and you will not have the problem of night blindness. So daily you can have this ridge gourd or angler gourd. One more use of eating this angler gourd or ridge gourd is it reduces anemia. Your hemoglobin levels increases and you will have good blood and fresh blood in your body by eating this angler gourd or ridge gourd daily. And one of the most important advantage of eating this angler gourd or ridge gourd is the people who are suffering from obesity or they can have the weight loss by eating this angler gourd or ridge gourd daily in their meals. And even if you eat this ridge gourd or angler gourd daily as a curry or a soup or as in the form of a juice, then you can have the fresh skin and your skin will have a fresh glow and you will look young. So and even the most important advantage of eating this angler gourd or ridge gourd is it reduces the diabetes problem and even it also reduces the type 2 diabetes problem. So children, this angler gourd is having so many uses, but most of the children hate this because it has a lot of plenty of water in this vegetable, and children hate to eat this vegetable because it is not crispy and crunchy after cooking like potato. But you are wrong, absolute wrong, children. It is a very good vegetable. It has so much of fiber and it reduces your constipation also. So children, daily you should eat this angler gourd or ridge gourd and you can have a good health. Hope you like this video. Okay, have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.